Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I want to share with you how I made some more Christmas pillows, but this time instead of using placemats, I actually used the white towels that you can find in the auto section at Dollar Tree. For the first pillow, you will only need to use one towel, and you're going to fold it in half and cut along the fold. Make sure that the two fluffy sides are put together before you glue. I glued these two pieces the same way I did my placemat pillows, and if you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link right here and in the description box below. After I was done gluing, I pulled the fabric through the little hole opening that I left, so now you have a pillow that does not show the glue lines. So I'm going to take this ornament that I also found from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use this as an embellishment for this pillow. Now, to cut off this twine, it was kind of hard because it was actually stuck to the top of the fabric as well. It wasn't just looped in. So you'll see me trying to cut it off as close as possible so I'm not messing up the actual snowflake ornament. To finish the pillow, I use clothespins to help me close the opening. For the next pillow, I'm going to create another sticker embellishment just like I did with my placemat pillows, but this time I'm going to use a deer head template that I found on Google as well. Cut it out, and I'm going to trace it onto this red glitter paper just like I did with the gold glitter paper on my last pillows. And again, these glitter papers were also at Dollar Tree, and they come 3 for $1, and it's 3 different colors that come in the pack. So instead of making a whole new pillow, I'm just going to take the fall pumpkin pillows that I made last month, and I'm going to flip it over and use the other side to create my Christmas pillow for this year. So every year when I bring this pillow out, I can use one side for the fall, and then I can flip it over and use the other side for Christmas and save money that way. If you are not one of my lovely subbies already, don't forget to hit that subscriber button before leaving this video. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always stay up to date with all the new videos that I put out. And if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button so that tells me that you want to see more videos like this. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media so that you always know what's going on my channel. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.